Whoa. On May 4th, 2025, a viral X thread exploded with claims that AI content creation tools have secretly been behind 60% of viral TikTok videos in 2025, citing a leaked report from a tech conference. This revelation has sparked heated debates. Is AI really taking over content creation, or is this a conspiracy to discredit human creators? Let's dive into this trending mystery for Trending Stories. See, AI content creation has boomed in 2025 with tools like DALL-E 4, ChatGPT-5, and new platforms like Cynthia generating hyper-realistic videos, scripts, and even viral memes in minutes. The X thread alleges that major TikTok influencers are using AI to produce content, passing it off as their own, and that platforms are boosting AI-generated videos to test algorithms. Some fans on Reddit speculate this is a tech conspiracy. Big companies like TikTok and OpenAI might be collaborating to control the creator economy, phasing out human creators for profit. But others aren't convinced. X users argue the leaked report is a hoax, possibly spread by traditional creators to stir panic. They point out inconsistencies like the report's lack of verifiable sources, and note that AI-generated content often has telltale signs like uncanny visuals and repetitive scripts that viewers would notice. Could this be a viral stunt to hype up AI tools? Or is there truth to the takeover theory? The debate has racked up over 2 million views on X in just 2 days, making it a hot topic. What do you think? Is AI content creation a game changer set to dominate 2025? Or is this a conspiracy to undermine human creativity? Vote in the poll below. Real threat, hoax, or hype? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's unravel this mystery together.